As we know, the binomial theorem stated as a plus b to the power n is equals to summation k equals to 0 to n nck a to the power n minus k times b to the power k. If we expand the binomial theorem, it looks like this. Here we see that the first term is nc0 a to the power n times b to the power 0. The second term is nc1 a to the power n minus 1 times b to the power 1. The third term is nc2 a to the power n minus 2 times b to the power 2. Similarly, the rth term is ncr minus 1 a to the power n minus of r minus 1 times b to the power r minus 1, and we denote it as tr. Therefore, tr is equals to ncr minus 1 a to the power n minus of r minus 1 times b to the power r minus 1. For our help, we denote r plus 1th term as general term. So, tr plus 1 is equals to ncr a to the power n minus r times b to the power r. For example, find the 7th term in the expansion 2x plus 1 to the power 10. Now, tr plus 1 is equals to 10cr into 2x to the power 10 minus r times 1 to the power r. We have to find t7, that is r is equals to 6. So t7 is equals to 10c6 2x to the power 10 minus 6 into 1 to the power 6, and by calculation we find that t7 is equals to 3360 times x to the power 4. Now, what about the middle term in the expansion a plus b to the power n? For well understanding, take simple examples. We know that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We see that in a plus b whole square, the second term is the middle term, but there is no middle term in a plus b whole cube, because the expansion of a plus b whole cube has 4 terms, that is even number of terms. So in this case, we have 2 middle terms as the second term and the third term. So in general, if n is even in a plus b to the power n, the middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term, and if n is odd, then the middle terms are n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 3 by 2th term. In a plus b whole square, n is equals to 2, that is even. So the middle term is 2 by 2 plus 1th term, that is the second term, and in a plus b cube, n is equals to 3, that is odd. So we have 2 middle terms. The first one is 3 plus 1 by 2th term, that is second term, and the second one is 3 plus 3 by 2th term, that is third term. Note that the middle term has greatest coefficients. If there are 2 middle terms, then the binomial coefficients are greatest and equal.